Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Shaunak said, "The son of Vyasdev, Srila Śukadeva Goswami, was a highly learned sage and was able to describe things in a poetic manner. What did Maharaj Parikṣit again inquire from him after hearing all that he had said? A pure devotee of the Lord automatically develops all godly qualities, and some of the prominent features of those qualities are as follows. He is kind, peaceful, truthful, equable, faultless, magnanimous, mild, clean, non-possessive, a well-wisher to all, satisfied, surrendered to Krishna, without hankering, simple, fixed, self-controlled, a balanced eater, sane, mannerly, prideless, grave, sympathetic, friendly, poetic, expert and silent." Out of these 26 prominent features of a devotee, as described by Krishnadas Kaviraj in his Caitanya Charitamrita, the qualification of being poetic is especially mentioned herein in relation to Śukadeva Goswami. The presentation of Srimad Bhagwatam by his recitation is the highest poetic contribution. He was a self-realized learned sage. In other words, he was a poet amongst the sages.